Hi Hacks team, my name is Mike Myers. I'm the founder and CEO of Havyn, and today I'd like to talk to you about packages. Now, we all know that online shopping is causing a massive surge in home deliveries, and package theft and mismanagement are very common problems. Yet, no easy way exists to upgrade buildings until now. This is why we created the Havyn Smart Locker, and there's really three key differentiators that we've focused on with our design. It's a simple install. Every Havyn locker has a cellular connectivity with Ethernet backup, multiple power options including wireless solar, and a durable touchscreen free design. They're incredibly simple to use with our patent-pending OCR package label scanning technology and a built-in voice assistant. It's very much like Alexa. They require no training to use, no back-end integration, and you don't even have to download an app. If we have your name and phone number, we can get packages delivered to you every time. And they also have a 50% cost savings versus the competitors, and I'll get into why that is in a minute. So our business model is we are producing our own design with mostly off-the-shelf electronics. We've sourced US manufacturing plants. We're waiting for an RFP back. And we're going to ship fully programmed lockers from our production facilities to our customers so that we don't have to do warehousing or inventory or anything like that. Our lockers sell for about $4,000 to the customer, which is about half the cost of, say, like a Lexer One locker, which sells for about $8,000. We are also selling through distributors. To them, we'd sell for $2,800, and it costs us about $1,800 to make. Over the course of 5 years, with our monthly software support, it ends up being about 70% margin, and we expect very high sticking rates because once you get these units installed, they just don't get out. Our sales strategy is to sell directly and through two types of distributors. We have a cluster mailbox, which we have our first pilot with starting in, I want to say March. And then secondly is we're selling through CoinOp laundry distributors. We have a very massive partnership pending this rollout. They have presence in over 75,000 apartments, and they're very excited to have a new product to sell to their channel to make additional revenue. Now, if you are a property manager and you're comparing these different technologies to figure out what's the best for your building, we've broken it down to the 5 most important categories. And this is affordability, ease of install, security, autonomy, and ease of use. Havyn package lockers score well on all of these. Other package locker systems, they score well on security and autonomy and ease of use, but not so much on affordability or ease of install. They're very difficult and expensive to install. They require permits and running power and Ethernet. It's challenging. There's also package logging apps. So if you have a front office staff, these speed up the process of notifying your residents that they have a package at the front office, but you're still limited by when the office hours are open, and it's still a manual process to distract staff to hand these off. So they actually end up being a lot more expensive because of all the people involved. Lastly, our package rooms, which are great for some buildings. If you have the space, you can make a little room, but again, with construction and then permitting, it ends up being a difficult and expensive process as well. So on the Havyn team, there's me, Mike Myers. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've done all the design work. I have a construction background that's heavily influenced the design of this product. We also have Murdad. He's our CTO. He's a PhD computer scientist and electrical engineer. He's done all of our firmware programming and back-end stuff. We're very excited for our newest advisor, Bill Stockwell, who built and sold a similar company called Kiosk Information Systems for $108 million. We also have Lou Lippincott, Jeff Feldman, Niels Fache, and Sarosh Kamana on our advisory board. Now, the market size is there's 20.8 million US apartments. We're going after the 15 million that don't have any package management tools. Is largely open market right now, and everybody seems to be targeted toward Class A. We have a solution that targets the broader market than they do. Market validation, package delivery lockers, top 3 most requested apartment amenity. This is the National Multifamily Housing Council. 60% of communities with these locker systems are satisfied with how they perform, compared to 23% without package management solutions. Class A apartments with package service garner $236 more per month for a 1-bedroom. Wow. And on top of all this, total delivery volumes are supposed to increase from about 15 billion deliveries last year to about 25 billion by 2026. So if it isn't a problem now, it's going to be soon. We have some financial projections that you might find in our deck. Also, I want to talk about the future vision for the company. We see huge play for access control. We can literally open the gate for third-party services and have a marketplace to sell these services that happen automatically. We're very excited about this. Anyway, I'd love to tell you guys more about it. We're coming up on time, but once again, my name is Mike Myers. Our company is called Havyn. We would love to be part of your program, and thank you for having us.